Hi everybody. I am going to shoot a very quick video. This is me in my greenhouse and it's in the early morning, and basically I'm going to just kind of show if I can, I'm going to try to shoot and see. This is some of my starts. This is like I hope I'm getting that. It's a little over, it's like 62 degrees inside my greenhouse. This is some of my starts. This is my shelving in here. This is a greenhouse that my husband and I put together. It's an Amazon greenhouse. It's not exactly what I ordered, but it's what I got. And I'm gonna just kind of go over. I've got some cauliflower, I've got some herbs, I've got a couple of tomato plants. This is real early, and I got some lettuces, some spicy lettuce, and basically, and some green beans. And I know, like, you know, you're thinking that's kind of a mixture, cool weather with some that's probably not supposed to be mixed, like your green beans and your tomatoes. That should have come later, but I've had them in the house, and this week is like supposed to be spring weather, like 76 and 80. So I got it out here to get it going, and I thought, you know, I'm just going to shoot a quick video to let you guys know. I don't know where you are. I'm at the top of Texas. If you have like a real inexpensive greenhouse, this is a great way to get your stuff started, your seeds started. I have some still in the house, but yeah, I mean, I just decided to go ahead and get a greenhouse. This is one that's probably, oh, I can stand up in it so you can see how tall. I mean, I'm touching it. So it's one that you can stand up in. I forgot the dimensions of this, I'm sorry. But you can actually, you can put a green light out here, but I don't know why you would want to. You can put a small heater, but I don't know why. You can put a blanket over it at night. I put my thermostat out here because it only got to like 41. But the ground is still very cold. But we just put one of those indoor-outdoor carpets out here, and even if it got to 30 something, I would probably just put a blanket over the top of it to keep it nice and warm. It's going to be like 10 to 20 degrees warmer inside your greenhouse than like if it was 30. It'd end up being like 40 inside here because it keeps the heat in here a little bit better. So I'm not going to worry about it if it did snow or anything, because we still got like another 20 to 25 days before our last frost. I would take the plants in my garage, so I'm not really worried about it. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video short and just tell everybody, hey, I'm getting ready to do another video, and I'm gonna get ready and change my channel. I'm gonna add some things to my channel, and I'm also going to do some things a little differently to my channel. And for now, this is Roxana with Garden of Herbs. Good morning, everybody. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye bye.